Hey everyone, welcome back. Crown Geek here. So the software I'm going to share today is an amazing and a very useful tool which is for absolutely free. And if you search such kind of software on the internet for this purpose, you will find all the paid tool charging a huge amount. But the tool that I will be sharing today is an effective tool loaded with a lot of features for absolutely free, and I recommend all the Windows user to install that on their PC and laptop. So basically you can convert any of your file to any of the format within your device locally. Like you can convert a PDF file to a PNG file, a PNG to a PDF file, an Excel to a PDF, and so on. There are many more things that you can do just by making a right click on that particular file. Alright, so you will be getting the link of this file converter in the description. You need to copy the link from the description, paste in the browser, come to this website, and then you will have to click on download for Windows. You can also use it for your Mac operating system. And it's a file of around 121 MB, so wait until the downloading is being completed. And in case your downloading doesn't start automatically, then you can click here where it says please follow the link. Alright, once it gets downloaded, click on the downloaded file, click on next, click on install, and the installation will be started. So you will have to wait until it's all been done. And then finally you have to click on run Zamzar. Now it will give you a tutorial here that how basically you have to use it. If you want to go through it, you can go through. I can click on got it. Alright, so basically the installation is being completed and now you're all done. Now next time when you bring up any of your file explorer, I have 4 different files here: an image, a Word file, a PDF file, and a video file. So let's start with the video file here. And if I make a right click on it, so you will find here a new option that says convert to, being added in the context menu. And if I hover upon convert to, so you can see it shows me all different kind of files here. Like I can convert this MP4 file to 3GP, to AVI, to GIF, for iPhone, for iPad, MOV, MP3, MPG. So these are the options available that I can easily convert. Now let's take an example here. I will try to convert this MP4 file. I will right click on it, convert to, and I can convert it to an MP3 file or MOV. I will simply select it. And you can see the process has been started and very quickly a file will be converted. And bingo, so you can see that it's been successfully done. This was our MP4 file and now it's been converted to .mov. So this is how very easily, locally, staying inside your computer only, just convert any file to any other format, just making a right click. Now let's come to the PDF file here, and if I right click on it, again I get convert to option, and I can convert this PDF file to document, to GIF, to HTML, to JPG. So even I can convert this into image. So if I want to convert this to image, I will choose JPG. And you can see the process has been started and it won't take much time. And because so now you can see it has been quickly converted into a JPG. So if I bring up this folder here, I can find all the JPG file. So basically these were the file included in the PDF. Now it has been extracted and converted into a image file. And so on. If you right click on any of the image file, like if I right click on it, convert to, I can convert to document, to a AVIF, to GIF, to a PDF, or to a PNG. All kind of options are available here. So let's say if I want to convert this image file .jpg file into a PDF, so I will simply select on it. And again the process will be started. And it's very easy and very simple to use. As you can see, just make a right click, the process gets started, you just have to wait for a while and everything get automatically done. And boom, so you can see the image2.jpg is being converted to image2.pdf. And if I bring it up, here it is. Alright, so this is the reason guys I recommended you that every Windows user must have this free tool on their Windows 10 or Windows 11 so that they can easily convert any kind of file to any other kind of format. And I understand many people struggle doing this, looking for many kind of tool, even many people go with a paid tool. But now you don't have to do that. Simply install this. The link will be in the description and enjoy the tool. And also make sure you hit the like and subscribe for more related videos in the future. And I see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.